Sometimes we won't have a PDF version of a source we are using, such as a book. We can keep a record of these by adding a manual entry. Check DKIT's Harvard Referencing Guidelines for the details required for various material types. Let's add the details of this book. DKIT's Harvard Referencing Guidelines will tell us the information we need for this reference type. Click Add New and then Add Entry manually. Choose to add a book reference. Then input the required details, taking note of any format instructions. When you're done, click Add Entry. We can also add a manual entry for a journal article, either by typing the details directly or using the article's unique identifier, such as its DOI. Remember to check that the details are accurate. You can easily see which entries include their PDFs.